Welcome all to Nature's Pulse. Today, let us watch a beautiful, brightly colored dragonfly of our locality, namely Crimson Marsh Glider. It is a species of dragonfly that belongs to the family Libelliludae. It is a widely distributed species found throughout the year across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It occurs around ponds, streams, and wetlands. Wow, here is the wonderful perching of Crimson Marsh Glider on the tip of the leaf that I could observe so closely from my home backyard. This is the male Crimson Marsh Glider. The male of the species is distinctly different from the female. The male has a reddish brown face with eyes that are crimson above and brown on the sides. The thorax is red with a fine purple pubescence. The abdomen, the base of which is swollen, is crimson with a violet tinge. The wings are transparent with a crimson venation and the base has a broad amber patch. Here you can see the abdomen with a violet tinge. The base has a broad amber patch also. So this is the female of the species. Female has a bright reddish brown face with eyes that are purplish brown above and grey below. Wow, the wonderful perching of the female Crimson Marsh Glider on the tip of the dried twig that I could observe so closely from my vegetable garden. Here you can see it's the head, the thorax, abdomen and the transparent wings. The anal appendage is very clear and also the wing venation also very clear. The thorax is with a brown median and black lateral stripes. The abdomen is reddish brown with median and lateral black markings. It is flying from one twig to the other and perches on the tip of the twig and silently waiting for its prey. It belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Odonata and family Libelliludae, and its scientific name is Trithemis aurora. So the males of this species are among the most beautiful and eye-catching of dragonflies with their crimson color, habit of perching on exposed twigs also. You will get a closer view of its perching on the tip of the twig. The compound eye is also very clear. It is flying from one twig to the other. Again perches on the tip and silently waiting to get its prey. So the dragonflies are good predators. Just observe and enjoy its beauty. So in female also the wings are transparent with brown tips. The venation is bright yellow in female to brown and the basal amber markings are pale. The wing spots are a dark brown and the legs are dark grey with narrow yellow stripes. Beautiful perching. So here you will get one more closer view of its head, thorax, wings, legs also. So this is the obelisk posture. It is a handstand-like position that some dragon and damselflies assume to prevent overheating on sunny days. The abdomen is raised until its tip points at the sun, minimizing the surface area exposed to solar radiation. So these odonates are very sensitive to changes in average temperature. They need freshwater ecosystem for their survival like ponds, lakes and rivers, streams also. These insects require stable oxygen levels and clean water. So these dragonflies and damselflies are good ecological indicators also. Hope it was informative to you and you enjoyed the beauty of Crimson Marsh Glider, Trithemis aurora. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.